I want to become fluent English speaker. You all also want to become a fluent English speaker. What do we think? How we can become fluent English speaker, and how many time will it take? And we think where we need to go and where we can practice and how we can practice and how we need to maintain our consistency. So consistency is the very important role. Okay, it plays very important role because without any routine you can't think you will learn. Okay, definitely you should practice every day on your daily basis what you do, where you do, and what you want to do. So all those kinds of work you have to say and explain little bit in your word, only and only in English. Okay, so just I want to show you. I'm sitting on the roof. Here you will see this is the house, and these are made up of mud and tiles. Okay, and my house is just near the road. This is the road. Okay, and from this road people come and go, and now I'm standing on my roof. Okay, and like this I try to practice and I speak, you can see, and you will see everywhere. If I turn my camera you will see the house is made up of tiles and mud. Okay, and definitely what what will happen to show you? Nothing. No, whatever we see, just we need to express that things in English. Okay, I know I was playing cricket at afternoon, and while playing I got hurt because bowler was bowling fast. So I didn't read the ball properly, and ball came and hit my head from back, from backside. Okay, in backside, and that time I felt very bad, and I that time after getting hurt I didn't bat anymore. I decided I will not bat anymore because uh, I'm feeling pain in my head. Okay, yes, and like this we need to practice. But I didn't say I will not play, but I will not bat, but I will play and I will bowl because I want to take revenge from that bowler because they will also bat one time. When his turns come, that time I will bowl. I will also try to hit him. I didn't say anything, but I was thinking in my mind. Yes, definitely I will take revenge. Okay, and I will not take revenge. I will not hit him directly. What? Through ball. Through ball, I will hit him. I want to hit him. Okay, I know everyone wants to become a fluent English speaker, and for this they do hard work. They read English story, they write, and they speak, and they try, and sometimes they regret. I also regret where I'm making mistake. Okay, one tractor is passing, and behind this tractor there is a car in white color, and one is white. Okay, and some boys are waiting for me, and I didn't say I am on the roof. Okay, because If I will say him I'm on the roof, so they will come on the roof and they will not let me record video. They will not let me make video. They will say, please come, come to the party because they are celebrating party. Okay, so I will go after making video because I don't want to break my consistency because consistency plays very important role. Don't matter how you are speaking, how your English, but depends do you practice daily or not. Okay, because we have been learning English for many months, for many days. What we realize when we watch English content on YouTube on any social media, that time we feel, oh my god, how simple words, how simple sentence he is using while talking. Then why we can't use, why we can't talk like them? That time we felt very bad myself. Okay, and after that, after watching, I start speaking myself loudly because I want to remove my hesitation and fear. And we why we can't speak English? Because we feel, and we ourselves underestimate. We think we don't know much, and when we watch others video, that time we think in mind, oh my god, he has more knowledge of English, and when we will also start speaking English. Yes, definitely we feel. Yes, you you also think. Yes, you can't say no. But after watching, you try to know some new words and how they are using words and how they are speaking and what is them and what kinds of their expression while talking. So we need to observe everything. Okay, you know, when I used to be study in the school, that time I used to regret I will speak English one day and I will teach everyone and I will speak only and only in English and I will explain everything in English only. But it is possible. But when it will possible? When you work hard. Okay. When you observe everything, you have to put your mind out of your effort effort zone. Effort zone or effortless zone. Yes, say and make your friend mind say your mind, bro, where are you going? What are you thinking? Think about me. Okay, I'm your brother. So brother needs helps brother. So you help me. Where are you thinking? Okay. So hi guys. This was the my thought. I speak this way and I'm improving my English. So I hope you also improving your English and you are learning and you are doing practice every day. So I need your support. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay. You know what kinds of this district do you know? If you know, you can write in the comments. Okay. In the next video, I will tell its name. Okay. So thank you guys. Thank you. Please one more time I want to request you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. So thank you. I will meet you in the next video. Bye.